Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We're located in West Tennessee. It's a sharp 2015 Chevrolet Express van. It's a high cube 3500. It's a 12-foot box truck. It's got a nice Tommy liftgate on it. 1,000 pound capacity. Makes it really nice to load stuff in there and out without breaking your back. So one owner's got clean Carfax. It's a Southern vehicle, no rust. It's got 4 new tires. It's just been serviced. It's got the reliable 4.8 liter V8 gas engine. Got manual locks, manual doors. Got the vinyl floor for easy cleaning. Got clean cloth seats. Got real low miles, 40,111. Simple gauge, got your wiper control. It does have the trip computer. It's got automatic headlights, AM FM CD. No, I'm sorry, no CD. Auxiliary input. Ice cold AC, traction control. Got a couple outlet. It's even got a 120 volt. That's really handy. OnStar, on-off passenger switch, traction control, 3 cup holders. Get your emergency triangle system here. You got your fire extinguisher. It's in pretty good shape. It's not new, but everything works like it's supposed to. Gonna have a few scratches and dents as expected on a used working vehicle. Let's go up in here. Well, let me see here. There we go. One time here and twice up here. Do the sequence. And it's like taking the elevator up. It will go all the way flush. So if you got a dolly or something, makes it real easy to load up. It's got the durable wood floor. It's got the track system. It's even got a few straps comes with it. Got the carpeted bumpers so you don't damage your furniture. Very nice. It's got dome lights. The length is 12 foot long, it's 76 inches wide. I'm sorry, 74 inches wide and 76 inches tall. And that measurement is up to here. It's actually taller here, but you know, you got to clear the back, so useful height is 76 inches. Going down, pretty straightforward. Got a few battle scars. There's a dent on the bumper. There's a few dents on the hood. Scratch here, but you know, it's just cosmetic. Get the 4.8 liter Vortec gas engine. seen these trucks with 300,000 miles still going, so you take care of it, they'll last a long time. And this one still got the remainder of the factory warranty, which is, I believe, next October or 100,000 mile, whichever comes first. That's on the engine and transmission. If you're looking for a sharp box truck at an affordable price, this should do it. To see if it's still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. If you have any questions, you can call or text me anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching, and come and see us.